Hello, everybody. Welcome to your Tuesday math lesson. I know you can't see me right now, or maybe I can just duck under and say hi. Hi, guys. So we have been learning about money, and money is a beautiful gift from God, and God wants us to use money wisely. And He also remembers to always tell us that all the money that we do have, it all still belongs to Him. Well, I'm sure you've enjoyed listening to that song. Maybe you sometimes sing it as you're going to sleep. I've got Canada in my pockets, a little bit of history, and so on. So first, I have my little money here. I'm going to show you a coin, and maybe you can tell me how much money it is and what is the name of the coin. So here we have, it's a toonie, and it's worth how many? $2. So if you had lots of these, you just count them by 2, right? 2, 4, 6. I have $8 there. Whoa, I can buy something pretty cool. All right, there's your toonie. And then here we have our loonie. Why do they call it a loonie? Because this animal on there is a loon, right? And they are $1. So if you have lots of these, you can count them by $1. $1, $2, and $3 together. All right, the next coin that we have is our, let's see if it focuses, our 25 cents, also known as the quarter, and it has the 25 cents, okay? And those are the trickiest to add up together. I'll show you in a minute how to add up quarters. Doesn't focus as well. All right, and then we have our schooner, 10 cents. And so if you have lots of these dimes, you can just count by 10, and you all know how to count by 10. So if I have this much, it's 10, 20, 30 cents. Fantastic. And then we have our nickel, and it is worth 5 cents. The beaver. Oh, the beaver, right? And if you have lots of them, you can just count by fives. 5, 10, 15, and so on. And as you can see, maybe you've seen these before. I didn't hand them to you, but we don't use them in Canada anymore. But a few years ago, we did. Oops, that one just fell. It's the penny. We got rid of pennies because they are only worth, let's see if it focuses. They're only worth 1 cent. They have the maple leaf on it. 1 cent. So if you have lots of pennies, you just have to add them up by ones. So that's pretty easy. Now, today our lesson is going to be about counting up coins. What if you have coins of different amounts that are worth different amounts? So say I have 3 nickels and 2 dimes. How am I going to add them up together? What's the best way? The best way is always to start with the one that is worth more. So is a nickel worth more or a dime? A dime is, because that's worth 10 cents and a nickel is 5 cents and 10 is worth 5. So I'm going to count these by tens, right? Are you ready? Join with me. 10, 20. All right, that's 20. Now I'm going to keep counting by 5. 20. Ooh, if I'm at 20 and I have to add 5 more, let me just use my 100 chart for a second. I'm at 20 and I have to add 5 more. 25, and then 5 more would be 30, and I have to add 1 more, 5 more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 35 cents. So let's try that again. So we've got 10, 20, and keep counting by 5s, 25, 30, 35. So I have 35 cents all together. Sometimes it gets pretty tricky, right? Adding different amounts, but don't be scared to use your 100 chart to help you, okay? What about, let me try another amount. So maybe close your eyes while I add some different coins up on my charts. Oh boy. All right, open them up again. So say I have all these coins. First thing first is I need to separate them. I need to sort them, right? So I'm going to put all my dimes together. I think this is a dime. Yep, all my dimes and all of my nickels. So what am I going to start with first? My dimes or my nickels? I'm going to start with my dimes first. I'm going to count them by 10. So you're going to join me? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And, ooh, we have to now keep counting by 5. So we're at 50. Let me just find 50 on my 100 chart. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now I'm going to keep counting by 5s. 50. So it'll be 55, 60, 65, 70. I have 70 cents there. Whoa. I am so rich. I wonder what I could buy with 75 cents. Now, what about if we add the quarter in there? Oh, boy. Close your eyes for a second as I put some new coins out there. Ooh. Okay, open your eyes. And what you will see is we have 1 quarter, 1 nickel, and 2 dimes. Now, I haven't taught you much about this yet, but sometimes we try and find friendly numbers. Friendly numbers are our numbers that we use to count by 10s. 10, 20, 30. They are friendly numbers because it's easy to add to them. So I see 2 coins here that make a friendly number. Our quarter, 25. I'm actually going to add my nickel to it and 5 more. I'm going to use my chart. So we're at 25. We have to add 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we're at 30. Okay. And now we have to add another 10 and another 10. So 30 and 10 more is 40. And 10 more would be 50. So I have 50 cents right there. It gets a little bit trickier, doesn't it? Now, what about if I had 2 quarters? 2 25 cents. I should tell you. Well, let me see. Let's first find the first 25, which is right there, right? Now we have to add 25 more. Okay, I'm just going to count. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So 25 plus 25 is always 50. Okay, so that's 50 cents. If you have 2 quarters there, is 50 cents. Fantastic. And then you have your dollars and your $2. So in your book today, the first page is quite easy, okay? So you need to look at the coins and you need to add them, but you have to look carefully because these, for instance, are 10 cents. So you add 10 plus 10. But then you have to add 5 more and then 5 more. How many cents do you have all together? You write the number right over there. And this C with a line through it stands for cents. Okay? So you do this whole page and at the bottom maybe just circle. Was it easy for you, just right, or hard for you? Once you've done this page, I want you to try and give the other page a go, the next page. It's a little bit more difficult because it's using our 25-cent coin, our quarters. Do you think you're able to do that at all? You can totally use your 100 chart if you like. All right, all the best counting your coins and feel free to do more practice after these pages where you just put your hand inside your bag, grab a few coins out and see if you can work out how much money it is all together. All right, you've got this, boys and girls. Keep it up and try your hardest. Bye-bye.